Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. Guys, as we all know, this is a very festive season, and also this month stands for the most precious month in my life because it's your girl's birthday this month and there's a whole lot to be celebrated. Since this month is my birthday month and also Christmas, I would like to call this month December to remember. Oh yes, it's indeed December to remember. And with that being said, I want to seize this opportunity to wish each and every December born here a very happy birthday. Not forgetting myself as well. And I would also like to wish each and everyone a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. We hope that next year brings us so much good and so much happiness and also strong faith in God. In today's video, we are making Ermine Buttercream Frosting. This is a buttercream frosting made from cooking of flour and milk as well as an addition of sugar. Stay tuned and let's get started. These are the tools and ingredients we are using for today's Ermine Buttercream Frosting. So we have 480 grams or 2 cups of full cream milk. We have 2 cups of white granulated sugar. We also have 95 grams of soft flour. We'll be using 1.5 tablespoon of vanilla essence, also 1/2 tablespoon of powdered salt. We'll also be using 450 grams of butter here. This is 500, so we deduct the 50 grams from it and we use 450. The spoon, our spatula, a whisk, our piping tips, our piping bag here. We'll also be using a spare bowl, our mixer bowl. This is the scale I use to measure the ingredients, which is an electric scale. Our non-stick saucepan, a ziploc bag for storage of the frosting. We also use some tissues, our stand mixing machine with a press attachment, and our chopping board, some parchment paper, and a plate. We also use our sieve here. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To our saucepan here, I'll add in our sugar. Then into our sieve, I'll sift our flour. I'll set it aside. And with the whisk, I'll combine the flour and the sugar together. My sugar is a bit wet, so combining won't be as smooth as combining with sugar that has less water in it. But we'll get it done. I'll switch the whisk for a spatula and then I'll mix. Now I'm going to add in the milk. Combine so smooth. So we are all done. I'm going to pick it and then we place it on our source of heat. Now we are going to stir gradually until our mixture starts to bubble, thicken up, and all of that. This is going to be a slow but very, very trustworthy and necessary process. So we'll keep mixing, and as you mix, you're supposed to ensure that the whisk touches every side or edge of the pan. If you are using a narrow bowl, you could use a narrow whisk, but since I'm using a wider bowl or saucepan, I'm using a wider whisk. So you do according to what you are using. And when it starts to simmer, you have to patiently do this till at least 6 to 8 minutes, and that's when you notice it's going to simmer. Then when it's simmering, you have to reduce the heat to medium low so that it doesn't burn, and then it thickens up gently. And just like I said, the mixture is thickening up just as we want it to. And this is our base for our Ermine Buttercream Frosting. So we are going to let it simmer for just a minute or two, and then we'll take it off the source of heat as we gradually stir. Mind you, the heat has been reduced to the lowest. So this is it. We are taking it off heat, and then we place it on the side. To our bowl, I'm going to pour our Ermine base. And this is how it looks like. So I'm going to cover with some parchment paper to prevent it from forming a stain on top. And then we are going to leave it on our countertop for 2 to 3 hours. It's going to help it gradually cool, and then we can use it for our frosting. 3 hours of cooling off. Our mixture is here. We are about to make our buttercream frosting. So I'll add in our butter, which we measure with our electric scale. We have 240. I'll measure till we reach the 450 mark. This is what we've got. I'm going to place in our whisk attachment, place it into our machine. So I'll close it, and then we'll mix for 2 minutes until it's light, airy, and very creamy. So that is how it looks like. It has loosened up beautifully. Now I'm going to scrape the bowl. Remove the whisk attachment and then push down all the butter that is stuck to it. We'll place it back in. So I'll lock it back and then add in our salt. Then we'll mix. Now we are going to start adding in our Ermine buttercream base, which is our cooled milk and flour. I'll remove the parchment paper that we used in covering it, and then we scrape the excesses from it. So this is how it looks like. We'll scoop about 3 big ones like this, and then we'll add them in as they mix with the cream. We'll do this till it mixes in nicely, and it will be done in 3-minute intervals. I'm going to remove it. And this is our Ermine Buttercream Frosting. Very smooth, like Ermine fur. We transfer it into our bowl. We are going to color our Ermine Buttercream Frosting with our blue gel food coloring. So I'll pour some and then we'll mix. I'm going to teach you how to color the Ermine Buttercream Frosting using gel food colors. Since this frosting is silky and very light and soft as well, you can't use liquid food coloring. So take note, I mean water-based food colors. So this is how it looks like. We are going to create ombre tones. So I'll fetch. We add it into the one with the larger quantity, and then we'll scoop some from this and then add it here. Then we'll scoop a little after mixing this, which will turn into a lighter shade, and then add it back in. Now I'll scoop this and then we'll add it here, and we'll mix this as well. And this is how all 3 look like. Now I'm going to pipe with the frosting that isn't colored. So I'm going to pick up our piping bag and tip, and then we'll add some of the frosting into it. So we'll make all the different designs, including stars. So make this. Make rosettes. Finally, I don't have a cupcake, but this is my chocolate chip muffin, so I'm going to make a rosette on it just to show you how versatile this buttercream frosting is. And it holds this shape pretty nice and beautiful. So this is how it looks like. And Merry Christmas to you as well. This festive season, I hope it brings you joy, love, and you're able to share with all your friends and loved ones as well. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. this festive season, I want to use this opportunity to let you know that Beloved Catering Service is having a promo where we are going to give some discounts on other baked goods from us. So you can check that out on the channel on our community section where the flyer is. If you are in Ghana, this is your opportunity to grab something delicious from our end, and I promise you are going to enjoy it. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.